I'm watching colors with some real color on it. I showed the color with the trapezoid.
Good job. What are you making?
I'm making trapezoid.
Gagawa kami ng DIY alkansya.
I got this one.
Yes. Oh, show them. Show them.
Hey, look!
Oh.
I made a big square with glue on it.
Oh, we will show. Ay, hindi pa yung tuyo. Ito po ay pinaglagyan ng...
Square.
No, pinaglagyan ng... Oh, tanggal tuloy.
Triangle.
Ng apple juice.
Apple juice.
Binutasan ko na rin siya para ano...
Apple juice. Let's put the apple juice in this green.
Oh, wait lang. Now, oh, don't. Basa pa yan, basa. Now, tinutulungan ko si, what's your name?
Mateo Kirk Tadoy.
Si Mateo Kirk Otadoy.
Mateo Santo Tadoy.
Oh.
Mateo Santo Tadoy.
Ito po ang aming mini vlog.
Circle.
Circle.
And trapezoid too.
Yeah. Sino nagkulay nito? Who's color this?
Dita.
Dita?
Maybe.
And?
Deo.
Good job.
Please push.
Wait lang. Wait lang. It's not done yet. Sabi nila, turuan natin ang ating mga bata
Circle.
Yes.
Like
Maging creative.
Circle.
Hold, another.
Another circle.
Yes. Tapos, ididikit natin siya, ha? Wait lang, ha? I will teach you how to...
Onto a circle.
Yes. Sabi nila, turuan natin ang ating mga batang maging creative.
Creative. You use onto this one.
Show them. Because, don't, Teo, pinapatuyo pa natin yan, basa pa yan. O, hanapin mo yung yung square.
What about squares? Is it this one?
That's not square. Dali, para gagawa tayo ng square.
I made a big
Ay, Teo.
over there?
Yeah.
I'm over here. I'm gonna see it. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, big look. Oh. I keep digging.
Oh, there, oh.
Over there?
Yeah. I see it.
Where? Where is the hiding come from? Where did it go? Is it this one?
Oh, okay lang. Oh, lagay mo rito.
Why is it okay? Why is it plus sign? Let's use time.
Oh, show them your plus sign.
Plus
Yeah.
1 times 1 plus 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 1 equals 260, 100, and 200 million.
Ano?
600! And 600, Dita!
Yeah.
And this one.
Oh, talk to them.
Hey! Hey! There's no thing. No thing. Ooh. put here?
Yes. Oh, ito. What? Ano yung nauna?
What about this the one?
Okay.
We need some glue.
Oh, show them. What's the color? Show them the color. What's the color?
It's orange.
Good job. Oh.
Put some glue on it.
Ako na. Magkano?
And it's my turn.
Yes. Oh. Saan mo siya ididikit?
Upside
Show them.
down
Didikit mo.
here.
Oh, good job. Then, ito. Next. Ito.
No. The next one is yellow.
Show them. Hindi nakikita. Yan.
Hey.
Good job. Oh.
Let's get you got some glue too.
Yeah.
Use some glue.
Pakita mo yung glue natin. Anong pangalan ng glue?
I need some glue. Let's put the glue on it and turn it upside down. And here over.
Then,
Next one is the green one. Green.
good job.
Let's go use it. And next one is
Siya mo siya didikit.
one that's over there.
Ba't balik that?
And the rest is not least is blue. It's blue color.
Blue color. Good job.
And next, the last one. See? We made the colors all done. Oh, where are the colors of the rainbow?
Tingnan mo.
Let's put some and with some glue. Let's go to
Hindi nadikit ang glue natin.
Pop, pop.
Ano?
The color looks strange. Dita,
Oh, show your finishing touch.
you're so
Hindi pa siya tuyo.
I'm finished these touches.
Yay!
We're done now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
What?
See you tomorrow.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe for my channel for
No.
my colors.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, good
See you
job.
next time.